feel to summit?
Feels hot, sweaty.
Hot and sweaty.
Remember getting the truck fixed when you let us drive it. 25 felt like flying. Don't forget me, but please don't hold me to it. Born under Scorpio skies, I wanted to see. Sometimes my love may be put on hold. Sometimes my heart may seem awful cold.
We're on an absolute hunt right now. We've been to a million stores. We have taken a 40-minute train in Kyoto, and this is the best prices we've seen.
As long as I live, all you need to know is
You've got this.
it's so dark, ain't about to forget all we've had and all that's next.
Oh, bruh.
Long as my heart's beating in my chest, this old dog ain't about to forget. Often a heart tends to change its mind. A new day decides on a new design. A new day gets set on another way.
Oh my god.
As long as I live, all
Holy
I've got
shit.
to say
Done.
is this old dog ain't about to forget all we've had and all that's next. Long as my heart's beating in my chest, this old dog ain't about to forget.
It is gonna get up and run and crush you and eat you alive. This is unnerving. Something about this. Oh, so it's gonna be like a dessert.
It is sweet potato.
No, it's sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato. Get in there. Put it in. Oh! Come on, Jade. Get it in.
Pressure.
Get in. Get in. Don't say it.
She thought she was getting sweet potato chips, but it's potato and sugar.
Hey, thank you. 5 scoops.
5 scoops of chili.
Because I'm used to it not being spicy.
Yeah, I know, but it's way spicier than normal chili though.
Apparently.
You
Go on.
You have to ruin my dang noodles.
Good sauce.
That reminds me of like a Big Mac.
A Big Mac.
Yeah, it's pretty, it's good.
Did you buy it again?
No, but it's damn good.
Weapon. Is it just a condom? That's not a weapon.
What is that?
That's boring.
Shit, we have to balance.
She has to pay again because she accidentally locked it before she closed it. Fuck. This whole system is corrupt. I had to spend $15 on all mine because it kept locking.
I might just walk around with my pay.
How much water?
That's awesome.
I just realized that I had locked my fucking camera in my camera bag in the thing, so I just have to pay again to get out and put it into another locker. But luckily this one's 300. But holy shit, I've spent so much money in these fucking lockers. It's not even worth it anymore. Whatever, we're going to the bamboo forest now. It's pissing down rain. Hopefully some good shots from that though.
Channel.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This guy. You should get your camera and he'll froth it.
You got big boys.
Oh,
I changed song.
that's even sicker.
That's sharp.
It's really sharp.
The slimiest thing I've ever put in my mouth. Warm in some places. I believe it's the rice that's warm. And then the squid and okra is like cold as. So
What is it?
See, it's little tentacles. Watch this.
squid okra sushi.
Ew.
Squid okra sushi. The way that stinks.
And it's just like slimy ass.
Oh yeah.